Ta-da! We're visiting Louis Vuitton with my girls.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel of Carlo and Seb. So Carlo is filming me and I'm doing the unboxing of the order I did to him when he was in Vegas. He just came back. So I'll show you. So we have a nice presentation of Louis Vuitton as always. Let's see. So we have a new perfume.
What's the name?
So it's Attrape-Reves. Attrape-Reves.
Attrape-Reves. What's that mean?
Like to catch the dreams.
Catch the dream. Oh.
And yeah, she just let me try a sample at first. And I fell in love, so it's the perfect way for Louis Vuitton to seduce the new customer, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah. How to open it? Just like that.
Wow, it's a big bottle.
Oh wow, nice.
Mm-hmm. As always, it's so pretty. Wow. It's huge.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
With the magnetic, as always. Refillable too.
And then tell them about the engraving.
So for the engraving, we will just do it in the mall close of where we live. So we will see what we will do, but probably are both of initials.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
So yeah. So it's the 6 also.